In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a CSV file on Salesforce for the year 2025 through a simple step-by-step guide. First, let's start by navigating to the Salesforce home page. Once you're on the home screen, your first task is to find and click on your profile icon. This is typically located at the top right corner of your screen, and it's your first step toward accessing the various settings you will need today. After clicking on your profile, a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you'll want to click on Settings. This setting feature allows you to control various aspects of your Salesforce environment and is the gateway to our CSV upload process today. Within the settings menu, you'll find a search bar. In this search bar, you'll want to type in Data Import Wizard. This wizard is a powerful tool within Salesforce designed to simplify the import process of large amounts of data like your CSV file. Once you see it listed in the search results, give it a click to open it up. Now that you're within the Data Import Wizard, your next step is to click on Launch Wizard. This button is your starting point for any data importation tasks you want to tackle within Salesforce. Clicking this will initiate the wizard, bringing you to an interface designed to guide you through the data import process. For this tutorial, we'll be working with data related to accounts and contacts, so the next logical step is to select this option. Doing so will concentrate our import efforts on these specific Salesforce objects, which is typically where most data import tasks are focused. With our focus set, it's time to add your new records. Click the option labeled Add New Records. This choice tells Salesforce that you're looking to expand your existing database with new entries, which is the purpose of our CSV upload process today. Now, before you import, it's crucial to determine how Salesforce will match these new entries with existing data. First, click on Match Contact By. This ensures that any new contact entries you upload are paired correctly with existing entries in your database, preventing duplicates or incorrect assignments. Similarly, go ahead and click on Match Account By. By doing so, you're setting criteria for how the software should correctly align new account data with what's already stored in Salesforce. Once all these criteria are set, click on the CSV option. This is where you'll link your CSV file to Salesforce, so it recognizes the data you're about to upload. Click Choose File to browse your computer's directories and select the CSV file you prepared for this process. After you've chosen your file, the wizard prepares the data for import, allowing you to proceed smoothly with the process. Finally, click on Next to begin the import process into Salesforce. This step officially starts the data transfer from your CSV to your Salesforce account, where you will soon be able to access all newly added records within the system. Now you're all set and your data import is in progress.